My name is Paul Stephans. I'm the fire chief here in Hartford. I graduated from Hartford Union High School, as well as my 5 siblings and my 5 children and my lovely wife Janelle. So we're longtime Hartford folks. Well, I work in an environment where team first mentality is very, very important, and some of my best employees are former student athletes. They understand that you make sacrifices to put the team first, and it certainly has taught me that and kind of led to me advancing in leadership roles in many of my jobs, and specifically as a fire chief here in Hartford. It set me up for success that it takes an entire team to make an organization successful. So no matter what role it is, the fire chief is no important than the general laborer on the fire ground, and it takes everybody to make the organization successful. Well, I'm a Hartford guy at heart, as well as my whole family, and I've always supported projects in a community that has the ability to enhance the quality of life of the families that live here. And I think that enhancing some of these facilities and the specific project that we're discussing now, I think will lead to more opportunities, better opportunities for other families that I think will benefit the way my family did. If this project doesn't move forward, I fear that our school, our athletics will fall behind some of the competition, and athletics may not, the athletes may not have the same level of great experience that some of the competition has. I fear that I think that some of the interest in athletics may not be as high as it would be with upgraded facilities.